Okay, tell me what you found out online.
What I found out online about what happens when glue and borax mix together, the thing is, the glue, those tiny little molecules, become bigger, which are called polymers. And then the borax reacts, and then I have no idea what to say.
Just act like you're talking to me.
Are you still recording?
No, just go ahead. Practice, go ahead.
Wait, from the beginning?
Yeah, go ahead.
Today I will show you what happens when glue and borax mix together. First of all, borax acts as a cross-linking agent or connector to glue. So when the glue and the borax mix together, the molecules in the glue become bigger and they're called polymers. And then the borax comes in and the special chemicals that's in there, it causes little molecules to change and all that, and then it forms this slimy gel.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah, that's good. What else did you want to add?
Nothing.
How's it?
Nothing.
What about the consistency of the slime?
What does that mean?
How it felt?
It feels like any kind of slime you would really feel.
Mm-hmm.
Should I talk about Minecraft? Because there are slimes in Minecraft.
You can talk about Minecraft slime.
Because there's like the slime in Minecraft. Imagine if you were feeling that. It would probably feel about the same as the glue and the borax mixed together. Are you doing this on Instagram camera, the crappy one?
No.
Right?
Keep going.
I'm done.
That's it? About the Minecraft slime? I'm surprised.
Do I really need to tell people about the attack damage they do?
I don't know what that is.
The damage they do to you on each difficulty.
If you want to. You said you wanted to talk about Minecraft.
Yeah,
slime,
but that's
so.
on specific Minecraft videos, not about slime videos.
Oh, so that'll be another video on another day?
When I give these guys a tour of my Minecraft house.
Your what?
When I give these guys a tour of my Minecraft house.
Okay, so you ready for me to record?
Oh, God, yeah.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Why? Just act natural.
Okay.
I keep telling
Hello,
you.
I'm going to tell you what happens when borax and glue mix together. First, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah.
I keep telling you to act natural. Anytime I hit record, you start to,
Spaz out.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.